Let's get started with setting up client self-booking on Therasee. First, head over to Calendar in the sidebar and click on the Settings icon. This is where you'll configure everything to make booking appointments a breeze for your clients. Then select Edit Availability from the drop-down menu. Choose the practitioner you want to set availability for. Select the days practitioner will be available. Set the time period during which practitioner will be available on the selected day. Choose the location where you will be available for the chosen date and time period. Click on the plus sign to add another time period for this day if needed. Finally, click on Save Changes to update your availability. Now go to Settings to review settings related to client self-booking. Click on Practice Profile. Then click on Services. Click on Add Service to create a new service. Give the service a name. This will be shown to clients when they book an appointment. Set the price of the service. Define the duration of the service. This will be the duration used when a client books the service. Make sure you select this option to show this service as an option to your clients. Select this if you want to process payments at the time of booking. You need to connect Stripe to your practice to use this feature. Click on Save to add the service. Next, click on Locations. Click on Add Location to add a new location that will be visible to clients when they book an appointment. Fill out the location details and select Keep Location Details Public to show this as an option when clients book an appointment. Click Save to add the location. Next, go to Practice Settings. Select Turn on Online Sessions if you want to show online sessions as an option to clients when scheduling an appointment. Now let's check your personal settings. Click on My Settings. Next, click on Client Bookings. Set the minimum lead time for bookings. This time will be used to set the minimum time required before the start of an appointment to prevent last-minute bookings. Define how far ahead you want your clients to book appointments. Set the buffer time before and after appointments to give you time off between sessions. Finally, click on Save Changes to update your settings. To copy the booking URL for a practitioner, click on Users and Teams. Then, click on Copy Link. You can now share this link with your clients, making it easier than ever for them to book appointments with you. And that's it. Your client self-booking setup is complete and ready to use, ensuring a smooth and efficient scheduling process for both you and your clients.